County
Right.
Jail. We need help. I repeat, we need help. The Peggies are trying to break down the gate. If there's anyone nearby, hurry. I don't know how much longer we have.
So we find ourselves turning up here. Ooh.
Hey, is that you, Rook? Thank Christ,
See ya.
help us out here.
Pop 2. There's some nice gunplay in this game, I've got to be honest.
Let's get these
for,
thugs. Don't give them an inch.
for its flaws and all that, it's not bad. Remember the old Far Cry games, it used to be a perk you had to unlock to get the slide ability. Oh, we've done it.
Got a man down. I need a medic.
Car's jammed.
Rook,
I need more ammo!
you really saved our bacon. They've been throwing
There weren't many of them.
walls for days. Just won't let up. Harry kicked open a hornet's nest. Trucks on the road! Damn it! Medic! Rook, I need you up on that wall.
Shit! Well, I need to get me some proper weaponry that I can't go onto a wall with a goddamn pistol. Come on, let's have a go. Could you get out the road? What are you doing? Nice. So I've still got the RPG. Well, it works. Oh.
West side! Watch your back! They're coming up the west side!
How? How? How have you survived that?
Hell yeah!
Hell yeah! Yeah!
Watch my back.
See you, mates. No, they're not. Where? How are they over the walls?
Got another one! I'll cover you!
Where?
Look out! They're coming to
Oh
you!
shit. I'll let you off. You're telling the truth. Oh shit.
We got a fuel truck incoming! Take it out!
Stop that truck! It's headed for the gate!
Hey. So if anyone was wondering,
There's an arc welder somewhere inside. Footy was using it last. Get on it.
I am
You're
playing
with
this on
me.
easy.
Let's start collecting scrap. You have to pull the doors off some of the cells. Do it. Now hop to. We ain't got much time. Any problems?
No. A couple of the Peggies scaled the wall, but we got him. Door.
That doesn't look too bad. You'll be all right. Just keep pressure on it. You know, I was gonna retire last year. I was worried I'd get bored.
Are you gonna introduce us, or we're just gonna stand
Well.
around here all awkward and shit?
That ain't gonna happen.
Oh, fuck off, Virgil. Not today.
I told you a vulgar mind is a sign of you're not wearing your button.
No, I'm not wearing it.
I'll need a casualty report.
We're cougars.
We're really not.
Look, I'm wearing my button. The sheriff is wearing his button. This person, I'm sorry, who is this?
Well,
One of my deputies.
I thought you said your deputies were taken.
Well, this one wasn't. Been giving Eden's Gate a hell of a time from what I hear.
fucking A.
That's so. Well, I hope you plan on pitching in. No room for freeloaders.
Ooh! What a
Tracy's
bitch.
all right when she gets to know you. She's right about the work, though. There's plenty to be done around here.
I suppose no
Just
one
ask
else is
around.
doing it.
Good to have you back, Rook.
Yeah. Oh, good, man.
Okay, then.
Chatty. Chatty man.
Nice day.
Yeah.
My wife.
Rook, you're doing a hell of a job out there. But Faith doesn't like disobedience. We got word there's an armed patrol cruising the river, and it sounds like she's called in the Chosen. Toughest the cult has to offer.
Deputy,
Be
none of
careful
my
out
business,
there.
but you might want to
The
ask
mist is
Virgil or
rising.
the others for an update.
Gonna make you hallucinate,
They know
and if you
places
breathe it
we
for
need to
too
start.
long,
Making out.
well, you could wind up like the Marshal.
I'm not sure how much longer we can hold
White
on.
horse out.
Right, so we've got quests.
Over here.
No, no, not over here. I'll talk to you when I've got time. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Pizza.
Glad you were at the jail to help out the Cougars.
Good. Oh, right in. Ah. What? What the fuck is that?
That was an awesome job at the jail.
Shut up. Roadkill test confirmed my worst fear. I don't think a mind can be recovered once it's been overexposed to the agent. Note to self, write up detailed findings later. I need to do more research to be sure. Maybe if I can't cure the angels, I can do something else to help them. Or us. I'll need more samples of the agent and biological material it's affected. I have to try. It's as overwhelming as the day-to-day cases are. This is something I can do. I know it. Alright, so where's the quack? There's obviously a quack, a doc that's meant me in
Sure,
here.
I'm glad Sheriff Whitehorse is running the show here.
Fucking Jesus. Oh, money. Never pass up a bit of Dora Dora. Nah, I don't really
People out
fancy
here are
touching you.
self-sufficient. They got no choice.
Come
Gotta
on,
be
then.
honest. Never thought I'd see you again.
Well,
After the crash, I just remember fog. Then walking in a field. Then I saw her. You've seen her too, haven't you, Rook? Whatever she says, whatever she promises, it's a lie. Stay away from her, you'll end up just like the Marshal.
what's happened to the
Bliss.
Marshal?
It makes you forget. Makes you feel free. You just want to stay there forever. But it isn't real. None of it. If Virgil and Tracy hadn't found me, I'd still be out there, swimming in a sea of bliss. A prisoner in my own head.
Well, I guess that says
Those two
something
saved
about
my
us.
life. These Cougars, they're good people, but they're hanging on by a thread. We gotta help them, Rook. No one else will.
What's the plan?
One last thing. We had a doctor. Well, a veterinarian, but he's doing his best. Guy
Not
went
that by
missing
any
a couple
chance?
hours ago. Don't know why, don't know how. But keep an eye out for him, would you?
Bears around these parts. Wish
Okay.
I kept some of those Minkler Vermeer bear spray bottles. It was good campaign swag.
Who'd have thought the old prison would become a holdout for the resistance?
Got a job that needs doing.
Your sheriff seems to know what he's doing, though. Tracy, I've seen around. Mostly keeps to herself. And Virgil, well, he's Virgil. I don't care much for politicians. Do what you can to help him out. I'll be in touch.
Okie dokie. Whatever you say, boss.
Whatever you do,
Right, let's change these weapons around, because I can't be bowling around with a bloody rocket launcher all the time. Well, I can actually buy a sniper rifle now. Not sure I want one though. Hey, that looks okay. 45 cal. Might try that. I'll tell you what, let's sell some shit first, see what we can sell. Okay. So, it's something, it's some kind of money. Ammo. Hey, that's not too bad at least. Okay. I'm saying we customise this, see what we can get on it. I'll probably go for that one. It looks a little more, I don't know, it looks like bulbous, cumbersome. Used to make silencers in a job I used to work in. Oh, it's terrible, that does. It's going to improve me, isn't it? So, alright. See some of the shotties. Club. It's a little rewarder thing, is it? Okay. Feel like I'm a bit more prepared now.
Don't buy into Faith's bullshit.
That'd be a bit better for me. Oh, you're not still here. Hey, at least your bloody gun's sorted this time, you daft
Hey,
bint.
dude. Cougars have this place locked down tight.
Best not blow that up.
Glad to see you, Deputy. You know much about Bliss?
Nope.
We got one big job around here, and that's to stop Faith. She took everything from me. My job, my marriage, even my son. All because of that Bliss. You're one of us now. A Cougar. We're a team that helps each other, and I need your help right now, Deputy.
Sure. I
You know
like
about
being
our water
referred
treatment
to
plant?
as a cougar.
The cult took it and started pumping it full of Bliss. You believe that? Right into the drinking water. What kind of monster does that?
Oh, they
Well,
are a
she's not
cult.
getting away with it any longer. I tell you straight, we're gonna shut it down fast. What do you say?
Oh, obviously, yeah. I'm not going to say no. I'm. Can I have that?
Dying in there against some pretty heavy weapons.
We're missing Katrina and her team. You got any word?
Might all be for nothing.
Interesting, this place. Oh, okay. You pair again.
Sure am glad Sheriff Whitehorse is
Good,
running the show.
good.
Mister. I'm not sure how much longer we can hold out here.
I'm sending one of my best out there.
Okay. Okay. Right. Right, I didn't know this was in here. I think we'll try that another day.
You got it, Sheriff.
Not today.
You can't trust anything.
Last 2 days, we've had a few people go missing. Only from what we can tell, they weren't lost in the Bliss. There's been rumors of some place run by Faith's favorites. The kind of place nobody comes back from. Torture, drownings, sacrifices. People say anyone who doesn't walk Faith's little pilgrimage winds up there. I
Okay.
think we got a real problem on our hands, and I need someone to check it out. Someone who can handle themselves if it turns out to be more than just stories. Be careful, Rook.
Sure am
think
glad
we've-
Sheriff Whitehorse
I
is
think
running
we've got
the
a
show
real
here.
problem on
We
our
hope
hands.
protect
You
us.
don't say.
Please don't give a shit about conservation. They'll shoot anything with a heartbeat. I don't know if we can come back from this.
Of course we can.
This whole
Come back
place
from
don't
anything.
make a lot of sense. I'm not sure how much longer we can hold out here. Is running the show here.
Forever. Absolutely, honestly, we're gonna be fine. Absolutely fine. Okay, so the plan. Okay, there's a lot of little quests from the looks of it. Quest. Journal. Ah. Well, I think, honestly, I don't actually know what to do. That's a bad thing to say, isn't it? Let's just get out of here.
Mama always said I bet you never saw this coming.
Oh no, really? I didn't know you could do this. Oh, okay, okay. I'm happy. I've got a free chopper. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Okay, let's see how hard this is.
All set.
Ascend, descend, switch on this machine. Ooh, free look. Okay. Fire rocket. Right, cool. Oh, this is good. Right, map. Let's just go and do Lorna's truck stuff. Just checking this out, to be honest with you, just getting used to the feel of it. It does make life easier, doesn't it? But you look very sour-faced today. Okay. Can we... No, I didn't think we could. Three alarms. Okay. Okay, I've got an idea, but it's not the best idea. You know what, fuck it. We're going in hot. Okay, life's a bit easier with a helicopter, but ammunition is a thing. Oh, very nice. $1,000 to refill all ammunition. Right, we're coming down.
You must be dizzy.
Oops. God, that sounds awful.
You'll see clearly.
So loud.
Come with me and I'll show you
Oh.
the path. Nothing wounded but my pride.
Ooh. A doggo! Hello, doggo!
Fantastic. There's new stuff added all the time.
Hell of a job liberating that place, Deputy. I told you there's plenty of...
Path to Eden is clear to those who have faith. Join our priestess at this shrine and to hear Joseph's word. Together we will
Folks
return
willing
to
to
the
fight Eden's
dawn.
Gate. They just need a leader. And I think they finally found one.
Who's there?
The more you take from the cult, the more
work
people
getting
will
rid
be
of the
willing
cultists.
to help you fight
You got
back.
time for a quick job?
Dutch out.
We gotta take back what's ours.
Always good to hear off Dutch, innit?
Lorna, honey, if you got any of that lotto money laying around, I'd grab it and go. Something set off the Peggies in a big way, and they're on a rampage. You gotta run.
Drained us dry.
The Peggies.
Those Peggy bastards stole all our gas. They drained these here reservoirs and filled their tankers. So I need you to steal one and bring it back here. Just got word that there's one parked at the old diner down the road. If we're gonna rebuild, we gotta reopen these pumps. We'll keep the truck stop safe. You bring back that sweet, sweet gas.
I can't believe I used a whole box of shells on spares.
Oh, come on, mate. Get out of my way. Yeah, we'll have that.
Miss, good day to you.
Another day at the office, right, pal?
So. There's another arcade. General shop. Shrine. An armed convoy. Aaron Tweet Kirby. Okay.
Man, this is the most awesome game I've ever played.
Good for you.
The Resistance will watch out for this place and keep an eye on the roads. When it comes to angels, you gotta take headshots. Otherwise, you're just wasting time and bullets.
Anything worthwhile? Oh.
Going that way.
Want to get your mind blown? Try this game.
Shift, is it? No.
So that's how it... Oh, crap!
Oh, I've got perk points. Okay. Okay. Oh, sod off doing that. I think I do need the grapple perk. Let me just get the first one in all of them first. Okay. Cool.
That wasn't so bad. See you, pal.
Hi there, man.
Yo, bro.
I see those shitheads!
What shitheads? Where?
That's right.
Oh, that looked a bit buggy, that did. Everything's a bit buggy. According to me. Oh, Molotov. Yes! We're in. Shotty. We pick it up. Does that mean it's unlocked for us? I don't know.
I should have never let my family out of the bunker.
What did you expect, doggo? Gotta get in there. Okay. I don't have a plan again, do I? So... it does seem like it's better for us to drive to places.
Thanks for pitching in, Jay.
Let's get going.
There's only one radio station. Sorry.
Alright, I'm rolling. Watch my back.
No. Cool.
I'm heading this way. Alright, wish me luck.
We take you alive, it won't be pretty.
Desperate times, I guess.
Oh, crap! Fuckers there!
Got a horrible feeling that they were resistance, weren't they? Ah! What?
Christ almighty! Help!
Don't shoot him. Come on. I think I made a mistake just then.
Get this thing in gear! Right in the fucking melon!
Get me out of here. I'd be 6 feet under if you didn't save me. Desperate times, I guess. We knew the cult had a massive field of bliss flowers somewhere. Around here. Finally found it. Tucked away at the old youth camp. We gotta take that place away from them. Make them Peggies suffer.
Well, we might. We might. We've got to do this gunboat first, though.
Walking is for suckers.
This my cult is trash!
God, making a beautiful mess of things. Oh shit, I went in the water and the fucking...
Oh shit, look who we got here!
Oh shit! Well, the gunboats have defeated us. That's embarrassing. Easy difficulty as well. Oh, how pretty. I tell you what, this time
Now that's a great...
we'll. Oh, we can't. It's gone. The chopper. Oh, I was going to say we can take the chopper. So what we shall do, we'll actually take. Where is it? RPG. Yeah. Okay, cool.
Chocolate bars from Lorna back in the day. Kinda feel guilty now.
You're scared.
Go on, take the fucking thing.
I'm taking... Move! Thank you. I'm off. You'll have to catch up with me, dear.
Go in the... Take those cultists out!
Right, screw the cultists. Whereabouts are we looking for these damn gunboats? Oh, Lord. Might as well fast travel, haven't we? Get the chopper. Lay the smack down. Life will be fucking kosher.
All set.
Fools rushing.
Let's stop and stretch our legs.
Ah, screw stretching your legs.
Gotta do everything we can to help these people out.
Right. Chopper time. Come on. Yeah, baby. Oh, I do love this chopper.
Walking is for suckers.
Yep, so's driving. So I want to give a completely unedited look to Far Cry 5. Number one, because it's quite nice to see, you know, how the game actually functions without doing missions and things, you know, getting from A to B, so to speak. But not just that, but I find editing absolutely ball ache. It's a pain in the arse. Only because there's no decent software out there without paying fucking thousands, well, not thousands, alright, over exaggeration, hundreds of pounds on it. Well, that made life a lot easier. Really know. Oh, explosions in this game. I've got to hand it to him. They're not bad. Right. Well, I think that'll just about do. So as last time, thank you for watching. If you have watched till the end, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.